If you've been scrolling through skincare TikTok or Instagram lately, you've probably seen the Lux Cove 7-in-1 LED Facial Sculptor everywhere. It's marketed as this all-in-one miracle device that supposedly sculpts your face, clears acne, boosts collagen, and reverses aging, all from home sounds. Amazing, right? But is it actually legit or just another overhyped gadget? Let's break it down. The company advertises this device as a 7-in-1 solution combining LED therapy, microcurrent, heat, cooling, and massage to give you visible skin improvements. On paper, it sounds like a professional treatment packed into a small handheld tool. And honestly, LED and microcurrent do have real science behind them, but that doesn't mean every product using those words actually delivers. Now, here's where things start to get questionable. Lux Cove uses some very aggressive marketing tactics. Things like 60% off today only 7 left in stock, and over 1 million happy customers. But there's no verifiable data proving those numbers are real. These are common urgency tricks used by dropship brands to push fast purchases, and that alone should make you pause before hitting checkout. Then there are the clinical claims. Lux Cove says that 90% of users saw better facial definition and 89% reported fewer wrinkles. Sounds impressive. Until you learn that this is based on a small, unverified 60-person study that the company hasn't publicly released, no methodology, no details, no peer review, basically nothing to confirm whether these results mean anything. They also claim the device has been featured in Vogue, Glamour, and Women's Health. But after digging, there's no traceable evidence of those mentions. And if a brand says they were featured in top magazines but can't prove it, that's a red flag. Customer support is another concern. You only get an email, no phone line, no chat, no real-time help. For a device that costs this much, that's not exactly reassuring. Now, to be fair, it's not all negative. On Trustpilot, the brand holds a 4-star rating. Many customers praise the device for being easy to use, lightweight, and giving them some visible improvements. But there are also consistent complaints: faulty units, slow shipping, and delayed or unresponsive customer service. So experiences seem mixed. So, is the Lux Cove 7-in-1 LED Facial Sculptor a scam or legit? Honestly, it falls somewhere in the middle. It's not an outright scam. Some users do like it. But the overblown marketing, lack of proof behind their claims, and weak customer support mean you should approach with caution. If you want true, proven LED or microcurrent results, you might be better off choosing a brand with the verified clinical testing and stronger support. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, hit like, subscribe for more honest product breakdowns, and let me know in the comments if you've tried this device yourself. Your experience might help someone else make the right choice.